This is a tour of our property located at 1112 32nd Street. This is a 2-bed, 1-bath property. Just get a quick peek at the driveway here. This is just driveway parking. There is no garage here. I'm gonna get a quick peek at the side. This is a duplex. So there is just a small little backyard here that is separated from the other unit, and we do have a storage shed here. And this is the entrance. We have the kitchen just off to the right, refrigerator, and this is the washer dryer hookups here. And then this is the kitchen. There is no dishwasher in this unit. And this is the family room. Got vinyl floors. And then we'll just come down the hallway. We've got lots of storage here in the hallway. Just open these up here. And then here's the bathroom. Tile surround. Tile floor. And then we've got bedroom number 1 here. And bedroom number 2. And the closet right here. Alright, and that is it for this property. This property does not have cooling, so you would need to provide your own window unit to cool the unit. It does have a furnace though for heat. If you're interested in applying for this property, you can visit our website at envypm.com, click on rental search, and select the property that you're interested in applying for, and you can submit your application there.